Alright, restarting. So right now we're trying to utilize something that is taken from your project. So for this particular example, I'm using the project of what do you call this? Reggie's Enterprises. Now, as you can see, for this particular database, they already have what do you call this? A username and access level within their database. So what we are trying to capture right now is that we want them to see how to utilize the implementation. So as you can see here, we already have the employee, and in the employee profile they also have the username and password. So we'll take advantage of that one since that is already existent. Now, how do we implement and capture username and access level in the project? So here what I have done is that I am trying to utilize a formless unit. In the formless unit, what we will do there is that we are going to store variables within that unit in order for us, or in order for that unit to be accessible across any form for the entire project. Okay, so we'll try to see it, we'll try to implement that right now. So let's start. So for example, this project is working, so I'm going to add a new unit, this one. So this unit doesn't have any form at all. So if you press F12, nothing is going to happen there. I'm going to name this one as a global unit. Okay, global unit. Okay, and then save that one. After saving that one, okay, I've already created this one earlier, so let me just utilize that one. So basically, what would be the content of your global unit here? So basically it's bare, and what we will do there is we are going to declare, for this example I'm going to use a record. I may not be able to explain further what a record is because it's a short video, but I'm going to show you how it's being implemented, how it is being declared. Now let's say for example we want to have a type, a variable which has a type of a record, meaning to say it has fields within it. Can you imagine that one? So this is like a table within. So here the type of the T user is equal to a record, and that particular T user has a username and the access level. Okay, now this one now is considered as one data type. Yes, we have just created a data type of type record. Now we have to declare another variable of that particular type. I hope you're able to understand. Let's say for example system user, that would be our type T user this time. Okay, so if you're going to implement this one, for example, let me just create here a simple one. So begin system user dot, you see you have, or you can access the username and access level for it. So the beauty about this one is that we should be able to what do you call this, utilize this one across the entire project. So what I will do is I will not do that one there. What will happen is that when the user logs in, we are going to assign the login information, the username and access level of that user in to the system user variable under the username and access level. So let's try to start with that one. So of course the first thing that we're going to use, or we're going to do, is that we have to link the global unit to login form. So use unit global unit. Okay, I think I have already added that one, it's already there. The next part is, now if you notice there, when we are going to access the system user this time, system user, it's able to see that one already. So username is equal to, let me just transfer that one here, And then what about the access level? So system user dot access level is equal to that corresponding access level. So let me just add access level. Let me just use this one asterisk here. And then let's say, for example, yes, for example, yep, we're gonna do that one. Field by name, access level that has integer. Let me just double check that one. If we have that one, yep, access level is a number. There's an underscore. Let's try that one and let's see. Let's just display this one. Show message system user that username plus into str system user dot access level. Let's try that one. ASA 4. Okay, good, awesome. So we already have that working and it's already being displayed. Now let's try to see if this is going to work. Now when we have the form running already, so let's say for example, once it displays this form, let me just reset that one. Now it's already displaying here. Let's say for example purchases. What will you do if the user is not allowed to access purchases? So every time or before he clicks on it, if you evaluate system, if system user dot it's not working because we need to link that one. So use unit, the global. Let me see that one. Okay, global unit is there. Then oh sorry, it should not be in the products form but here. So if system unit dot username no, we will check it for the access level is not equal to 4. Then else, so just show message here, access not allowed, just something like that. Okay, let's give it a try. Alright, so SA purchases, see, just simple, that's it. And you can apply that to every module that is available. That's pretty easy, right? Awesome. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, how do I stop this one again? I forgot.